एहसास थोड़ा तो जगाए अपने दिलों में हम। क्या नाम है अपना जहां में, खड़े हैं कहाँ पे हम। है हमें जाना कहाँ, चले हैं कहाँ पे हम। हमसे पूछे है ये मादरे वतन।
सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्य श्यामलां मातरं वन्दे।
जाना है तारों से आगे, अपना रुकेंगे हम। एक नई सुबह जगाए सारे जहां पे हम। हिम्मत करे आगे बढ़े अब नए रास्तों पे हम। सारी दुनिया अपनी मादरे वतन। तुझे सलाम, ओ तुझे सलाम, तुझे सलाम, तुझे तुझे एहसास थोड़ा तो जगाए, क्या नाम है अपना जहां में। एक नई सुबह जगाए, हर इंतजार है जहां को।
Good evening, everybody. A warm welcome to our Galaxy Catalog launch. So every month we meet up, as one team where we can celebrate, where we can get recognition, where we can get a lot of updates, and of course, know more about this beautiful opportunity that we are associated with. So Oriflame and Galaxy of Stars Network welcomes each one of you into this beautiful meeting. So here we are here to transform life, to fulfill our dreams. And this month now, it's really a very, very special month for us as we are celebrating our 74th year of independence. 74 years complete Madi, 75th year na now enter activi on 15th of August. So it's a great moment for us. It's a great feeling for us, and we feel very, very proud about our country and about being an Indian. So ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್, ರೈಟ್? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮ್ದು ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಲೈಫ್ ನ ಲೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ರಿಯಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಗಲ್ ಡೈಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. ವಿ ರಿಯಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅವರ್ ಓನ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್. ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಡೂ, ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ಡ್. ಅಂಡ್ of course, living life in our own way and fulfilling dreams is very, very important. So adikene it's another proud thing to say that we are associated with Oriflame. Yakandre freedom, rights to choice anta heldaga illa ಒಂದು better lifestyle towards ನಾವು ಹೋಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ we really need lot of things, and Oriflame gives us an opportunity to really transform our life. So we are in the right place where we can really do things as per our choice. ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಒಂದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಅವರ್ ಓನ್ ಬಾಸ್. ಈ ತರ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬಂದು ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ರೆಷಿಯಸ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್, ಆಸ್ ಐ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ right to choose things for each one of us. So freedom anta now mataddaga, having the choice to choose, having living life on our own terms. So when we are working for others, then what happens? You definitely cannot do that. Everything depends on them. But here you can work with flexibility and independence, and you can really feel in charge of your life. ನಮ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಗೆ ನಾವ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ನಾವು ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ನಾಳೆ I was not able to do because of so many factors ಅಂತ ನಾವ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. When we take in charge, then we can drive our life and really transform and fulfill our dreams. And dreams anta heldaga, Oriflame company is built on dreams. The two brothers, Jonas and Robert of Yorknick, had a very, very, very big vision. So ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಿಷನ್ ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಕಂಪನಿನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ 1967 ನಲ್ಲಿ. So 55 years of transforming life anta nav heldaga, we feel very proud being associated with Oriflame. So Oriflame being a social selling beauty company, it gives you an opportunity to really choose things for yourself on the beauty business, as well as ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಕೆರಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಸೊ Oriflame ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ you can really live life of your dreams ಅಂತ ನಾವ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ we can make lot of money. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್ ಬಾಸ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೂಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ. So you can work on your flexible hours. If I want to do 5 hours of work, absolutely fine. If I want to do 15 hours of work, absolutely fine. You can choose things here. And you can travel and celebrate life here. You can get recognized on the world class recognition nimge sigatte. When you become leaders, you can find your own identity, and then you can also be part of the global community. You can meet lot of people, you can learn lot of things from new people. You can travel the world and really transform your life with this 3 beautiful opportunity, that is look great, make money, and have fun. So in every meeting of Oriflame, we talk about this 3. We all love to look great. We all love to look beautiful, young. We want a lot of money to, really transform our life. Anything that we need to do with dreams needs a lot of money. If you want to, have a healthy lifestyle, so even to be healthy, you need to spend, you need to buy supplements, you need to buy good fruits and vegetables. You need to, spend for that. You need to, spend for fulfilling family's dreams. ಮನೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಮನೆಗೆ ಲಕ್ಸುರಿ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, best clothing we want to wear, best saris I want to buy, jewelries I want to buy, vehicles I want to buy. want to send children for abroad for studies, everything involves money, right? To fulfill dreams, you need a lot of money. That money comes through our Make Money opportunity, through the power of our success plan. And then we have the Have Fun opportunity. What happens if you have the look great opportunity and make fun, make money, and there is no fun in your life? Will it be complete? Definitely no. So when we say fun, as a community on the Oriflame family agi, you can enjoy life. You can travel to different places. You can meet different places. You can get recognitions in the best possible way. And you can really enjoy your life in this beautiful opportunity. So let's talk about our first opportunity and let's see what all we have for us in our opportunity. So Oriflame anta navu look great anta heldaga Oriflame nalli it is for products inspired by nature and powered by science. We have all the natural ingredients that we can use in our products. Being a Sweden company, we give a lot of importance to natural extracts, natural ingredients, and of course, the best technology that goes inside our product. And that is why we have this vast collection of product portfolio. Different products to take care of our different concerns, products to take care of our entire family, products to take care of us from top to toe. Even newborn babies maybe you need products in your, old age. All kinds of products are there. Products that can make you look beautiful from inside. All these products are there in our Oriflame catalog. And one specialty about our catalog is we have new catalog every month. Every month we have exciting catalog. So this time our catalog talks about, responsible ingredients, safe formulations. ಯಾವ ತರ ನಮ್ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ವೇ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸ ಇಂಗ್ರೀಡಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಟಲಾಗ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಟಲಾಗ್, ಲುಕ್ at it page by page, read whatever content is given there, increase your knowledge, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಈ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Okay, so that is about our catalog, and every catalog as new and exciting products. So to talk about our new and exciting products, let me call upon Sapna. Over to you, Sapna.
Good evening, everyone. I'm audible, right?
Yes, Sapna, yes.
New products, andre tumba excitement baratalva. Every month new products is really exciting, and it will be as per the need of the hour, as per the theme, and it will definitely meet our needs. And yes, we have the first new launch in the Milk and Honey Gold collection. Before telling about this, I have a small question. How many of you have used this product? ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹನಿ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ? ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಪಾಟ್ ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಒನ್ ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ರೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಏನ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ವಾವ್, ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಇಷ್ಟನಾ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್? ಎಷ್ಟಿಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಚಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ? ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಪೀಪಲ್. ವಾವ್, ರಿಯಲಿ. Why you like this product? 100% Javeria. Why you like this product so much? Why you like it? ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬಾಡಿ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ Oriflame ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಏನಕ್ಕಿದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನಮ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೊಸಬರು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿ, ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್. ಗಿವ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕಿನ್. ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಮಾಯಿಶ್ಚರ್. No words. Wow, so good. Organic. Good result. Fragrance. Wow, so many. See, so this is not for this is for all the new joiners who are attending here for the first time. Soft, supple skin. See, so much. Milk and Honey is our most favorite product. And yes, we have people here who don't wait for offers, but they want only Milk and Honey every month. And added to it, it's a freedom month. So we are having the benefit of organic milk and honey with the warmth amber and lavender, which is very relaxing. So ee eradu extra ingredients haakbittu already ee organic milk and honey cream tumba soft supple alde ee fragrance inda namge inna luxury feeling kodta ide. Idu please note, limited edition. It will be available only for some months, and since it's a new launch, It is at a very good offer of 529. 200 rupees saving for 250 ml is not to miss for this Freedom Month. So I don't have to tell about this product. Many of the participants have used it, have loved it, and have also shared the feedback. I think we have feedback from more than 40-50 people. So that will speak a lot about the cream, which is so softening, luxurious, moisturizing, organic, so much more. We just love Milk and Honey about it. So this is for you. Don't miss it when it's in offer and limited edition. Even the package seems very attractive. A good buy for gifting also. So do you want more new launches? Let's move ahead for the second new launches, the Glow Essential. Everyone likes to have a glowing skin, but some of us might think about our budget to make a beautiful change. So worry not. Oriflame has launched this Glow Essential range, which not only will meet your need of giving glow, but also for your budget. Yes, it's a new launch, but it is an awesome collection because it has a lot of benefits, more than 3 benefits I can say, because it gives moisturization, protects, cleanses for more than 24 hours. Isn't it value for money which is starting from just 65 rupees soap? We have the face cream, body lotion, even the shower gel is available. It's not there in the slide. It is in offer price of 239, a real good buy, which is in offer for this month in August. I told it's a great product, value for money, because, Jenny, 1 second. Because it has the goodness of vitamin E for moisturization, vitamin B3 for glowing and softening, and it also has responsible sourced ingredient, not the bleachers which the local products has, non-GMO, it's dermatologically tested, paraben free, suitable for all skin types. What can you expect for this price, friends? Not to miss for in this August month. If you have still not started Oriflame products, it's a nice entry level to start off. And yes, it's more effective for people below 20 years. If not, everyone can try it also. Yes, moving on to the next new launch, we have here a special range of perfume, which is for purse and for travel friendly. Perfumes generally help in enhancing our mood, right? It has the power of creating memories. Hence, when you are on special occasions, when you're traveling, want to have some fun, why don't you try some new perfume, so that you will create wonderful memories when you are using the same perfume. And how about using the best premium range? So many of you definitely know about this luxury range of Eclat and the Possess range, right? You might be feeling it's expensive for your budget, but worry not. Go for this perfumes which are of 8 ml and 15 ml, starting from just 679. It's also travel friendly. You don't have to worry about bottles breaking up mishaps to give it a try, and also to enjoy your special occasions. Now it is at 20% off. Eclat is from the exclusive Parisian house, which has the exclusive De La Accord, and Possess has Lang Lang perfume, Lang Lang extract, which is a key ingredient used by Cleopatra for attracting men. So this has some exclusive notes, which is very tempting and intoxicating. And when it's at 20% off, not to miss, please don't go by the size. We have the ml mentioned. It's 8 ml and 15 ml. It is for the purse friendly only. So these are the exclusive 4 new launches we have for the month of August. And yes, the products are in limited editions. Each and every page in this catalog is really special, but still we have some key offers presenting for you so that you would not definitely miss. That is the first one, Love Nature Nourishing Facial Kit. We all love fruit facials, right? But how about having organic collection? We have here the organic guarana, papaya, and pineapple, giving you that nice glow for your skin. These are natural extracts, which is known for removing your dead cells, detanning, moisturizing, cleansing in the most natural way. And this facial set has the face wash, face scrub, face mask, and face cream at a good dream deal price of 999. I would call it a steal deal. Why? because not only on spending on the catalog of 650, you get it 40% off. Friends, this facial set is not going to last for just one facial. It's going to last for more than 30, 40 facials. The face wash could be used even daily. And if you calculate the cost for per facial, it will be less than 30, 40 rupees. Isn't that a steal deal? Where do you get such price? Does anyone have facial for just 30, 40 rupees in any parlor? Even in home, it becomes expensive. But here you get the goodness of organic products, and also at the safety of your house, you get a glowing skin. And this is the Love Nature collection for you. You want in multiples of 40% off, then definitely you can go for by placing orders of 1,300 above in the catalog. Hope this offer is clear for you. So let's move on to the next deal. And we will check the facial video here, which you can understand and start off from right now. So wasn't the facial kit very simple? So many of you have replied that it was very effective. Yes, it is definitely effective, simple. And yes, you can ask the person who shared this link for the video. It will be more clear for you also. We have more products from the Love Nature category for daily use also. You want glow only once you have facial? No, you want that glow every day, right? Yes. Your concern is met here with the Love Nature Radiance range, which is at 50% off, and it's the best price for the year 2021. Love Nature Cleanser Radiance Toner Facial Gel at 50% off is not to miss. We have also got very good review about this product. It has organic apricot and orange, giving you that natural glow. So morning and evening, just 1.5 minutes is enough for you to get that radiance at a economical price. And please note, Love Nature is more suitable for below 20 years, but still our new joiners as an entry-level product definitely must try now, because this price will not be got later. So let's move ahead for more key offers from the catalog. And those of you who still don't want to go for the facial set, go for at least the face mask. Yes, if your skin is normal to combination or oily, it would suit this better, because this is known for mattifying, removing excess oil, reducing shine, and also unclogging pores. So generally such concerns are there with the combination and oily skin people. So use this pack for just 10-15 minutes and wash it off. This is also at the best price of the year for 2021 at 50% off. So not to miss for. So for a quick cleanup, that's a good buy. Yes, our catalog is very special because we have lot of sets which help you to de-stress, pamper, get the spa-like treatment at the convenience of your home without getting out at all. Not only in skincare or facial, we also have for hair care and foot spa in the form of the new do-it-yourself kits. Isn't that really awesome? Getting pampered from top to toe with this exclusive DIY do-it-yourself sets for you. So the first set that is very much important for you is for your crowning glory. That is the Love Nature hair kit set with the goodness of coconut and wheat, which has biodegradable formula. Please note. So this range is more suitable for dry hair. Start your hair spa by using the hot oil. Yes, the oil is not hot. You're going to heat it 5 minutes by keeping it in a hot water mug. After 5 minutes, open the nozzle and use that contents to massage your scalp. And also for the length of the hair, you see that you have an overnight oil soak for your hair. And in the morning, have the shampoo and use it twice if needed and wash it off, and then use the conditioner for the length of the hair, not for your scalp. Please note, and use a little bit more for the ends to prevent split ends. We have got good review about this also. It's a very old product. We have heard from our customers telling their hair fall was reduced, the length of the hair was increasing. It gave strength to the hair. So not to miss for, coconut is a traditional product which we use, and many of us extract coconut oil from our own coconuts at home. And this has the goodness of wheat for strengthening, and it's at a good offer of 719 only for August, not to miss for. If any of you are using, please continue sharing in the chat. It will empower everyone. So we have a facial set even for the oily skin. This is also a popular range which was missing, and now we are getting it from the Love Nature Tea Tree and Lime set, which has the gel face wash, 2-in-1 mask scrub and the face lotion at $879. Yes, the oily skin ones have to have facial at least weekly twice. So to save time, we have this 2-in-1 mask and scrub. You just have to use it after your face wash. Leave it for just 5 minutes. Avoid your eye and lip area. And after 5 minutes, lightly massage it off or even wash off. If you have a lot of pimples, be careful. Don't scrub it. Wash it off and then apply the cream. Isn't it simple to have a mattified skin? And yes, by using weekly twice, it helps. And the face wash and cream can be used even daily. So it lasts longer. So complete for value for money, especially in this monsoon season. Our skin tends to secrete a lot of oil and it will be acne prone. Don't miss this collection, friends. It's a very good result oriented. I had joined this business just for this product only, and I am continuing to use this. So let's go ahead for one more set for our feet. We are ready to pay 1 crore for our face, but we hardly give 1,000 rupees for our feet, right? Unless we have cracks on our feet, unless it starts bleeding, or if someone complains how dirty our feet is, only then we take care of our feet. But how about prevention is better than cure? And how about having foot spa at home, not only to clean your feet, but also to relax your complete senses, to de-stress using this Feet Up Ginger and Tangerine set. This is a super product, friends, because it has ginger and tangerine, which is also a citrus fruit, which is known for antioxidant properties, cleansing the skin, repairing and moisturizing, and the smell is really refreshing. So just take a tub of water and soak, keep your feet in it and add a cap of the foot soak in it and soak yourself and relax with some nice music. And after that, you can remove all your dead cells and calluses using the foot file very delicately, not using the steel scrub which the parlor people use. It's not advisable. And after that, massage your feet with the Feet Up cream. You will see the difference immediately. And please don't go for a pedicure even after COVID. It's not at all recommended because they don't sterilize the equipments and it will be prone to other infections. Just have this foot spa. It's at such an economy price and it will last for longer, for more than 20-30 pedicures. So it's the best option for do it yourself. I'm sure you like the set. I'm sure you would go for it. And we have more offers from the catalog in August. We will check the video to know the steps for this pedicure now. Well, that video I think made have very clear for you. Pedicure is so simple, right? You would get this video on WhatsApp so that it will be very clear for you, and you can use it when you're doing your pedicure. So I was mentioning a lot about Love Nature, best for below 20 years. So others who are above 20 might be wondering, what is there for me? Don't worry, we have the optimal skincare set for you, which has the exfoliating face scrub, which has almond shell granules and also apple and lactic acid. Isn't that pampering? Plus, we also have the Optimals Hydra Radiance Hydrating Day Cream, which has the goodness of sea algae, and the Optimals Purifying Clay Face Mask, which has the nettle and natural burdock. So this is an excellent range again for normal to combination skin. And please note, this does not have a cleanser. You can use your present cleanser, or for best result, use the Optimals cleanser or the Optimal set for complete result. This is the first time, I suppose, the Optimal skincare set is in offer for people about 20-25. It's a 30% off, an easy offer with 26 points. Just buy one set and just give it a sample or a trial for 3 of your friends and get another 3 sets, and your 100 points is done. Isn't that so simple? Yes, it is very simple. You will get to know more about all these products and also other key offers when you keep attending our webinars continuously, and also keep using new products every time. So this is some of the key offers. You will get to know more exciting offers from Jenny. Over to Jenny.
Thank you so much, Sapna, for
welcome, Jenny,
about our new launch products as well as this offers of the month in such a beautiful way. So thank you once again. So now let's continue with our other things that we need to focus. So something that should always be in our mind, something should that can really boost our business is our wellness range. So wellness products are something that can really take care of our inner beauty. We all love to look, beautiful outside, right? And even our inner beauty is important. Taking care of our health is important. And for that, we have our high quality natural supplements from our wellness products. So namge wellness nalli nodidre NutriShake, 4 wonderful flavors. We have vanilla flavored, chocolate, strawberry, and mango banana. So idnalli ನಾವು different recipes na ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, smoothies ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲ just plain water ನಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೂ ನಾವು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. So you can take it once in a day, you can take it 2 times in a day. Energy as well as good protein and fiber is there for your body. And then we have our omega-3 capsules, and again omega-3 capsules are excellent product to take care of your overall health. Namdu heart na bandu olle condition nalli itkobodu, entire body, so from brain, from eye functioning, muscles, elladku namge tumba important. And then we also have our astaxanthin and bilberry extract, antioxidant that is needed for our body. Again, even in our astaxanthin and bilberry extract, it can really boost our immunity, enhance our energy, as well as it can really enhance our beauty as well. So it takes care of our skin as well as the inner beauty, and of course it works as a superb antioxidant, king of antioxidants anta heltare astaxanthin. So that is there for us in this capsule in wellness. So focusing in wellness products is very important. And wellness na ನಾವು ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ 3 ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಡೈಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ we have the super daily well-being set. So 6,547 rupees MRP. So if you are a customer, you can take it at that price, or if you are a brand partner, you can take it at just 4,947 rupees. So 5,000 rupees anta navu itkondruno 5,000 rupees nalli namge ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿ ಶೇಕ್ na ನಾವು ತಗೋಬಹುದು, 2 omega-3 capsules na ನಾವು ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಒಂದು ಆಸ್ಟೆಕ್ಸಾಂಥಿನಿನ್ ಬಿಲ್ಬೆರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಡೈಲಿ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ 98 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಕಡೆನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ 42 additional points and it makes 140 BP. So plenty program benefits, another 60 BP if you place order, you get your business class benefits. So it is super important to focus in our wellness range. And to promote our wellness products, to promote well-being, to promote a healthy lifestyle, in Galaxy of Club, we also have our Galaxy Wellness Club. Galaxy Wellness Club nalli now nodidre, here we are not here only for business, right? Business is there, but along with that, we want to share well-being to others. We want people to join our wellness club, learn lots about, our health tips, or it can be about the benefits of our supplements. It can be about the benefits of taking wellness as a business opportunity, or it can be about fitness, about, exercise, about having mindfulness. There are so many things that we can talk about well-being. Everything comes to you as a package through our Galaxy Wellness Club. So here, let's hear about our Galaxy Wellness Club, how it's functioning, what benefits we can take through this, through in form of a video from Parvati. So let's listen to Parvati.
Hi, I am Parvati Prakash. I am really excited to tell you one thing. That is last month, July 19th, now Galaxy of Stars inda banbitu one more community na ನಾವು launch ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. That is Galaxy Wellbeing Community ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. So really fantastic ಆಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. So every morning 6:30 to 7:30. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ 6:30 to 7:30 every Monday to Thursday ಯೋಗ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಎವ್ರಿ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ 6:30 to 7:30 ಜುಂಬಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯೋಗ ಅಂಡ್ ಜುಂಬಾನ ನಮಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟರ್ಗಳು ಇದನ್ನ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ರಿಯಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸುಮಾರು ನಿಯರ್ಲಿ 150 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ವೆಲ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಹೌಸ್ ವೈಫ್ಗಳು, ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಕೂಡ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ನ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೋಗ ಅಂಡ್ ಜುಂಬಾ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆಲ್ತ್. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ಗೆ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಟಿಪ್ಸ್ ನ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಯಾವ ತರ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕು ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಂಡ್ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ತರ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ತರದಲ್ಲೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಯಾರು ಈ ಒಂದು ಅಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿನ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಾಟ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮ್ ಲೀಡರ್ ಇಂದ ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಅಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಜುಂಬಾ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫನ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫನ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you so much, Parvati, for giving us, so much information about our Galaxy Wellbeing Club. Yes, as Parvati said, a lot of activities are happening, so don't miss it. So it's a beautiful chance for you all. Being part of the Galaxy Club, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. About well-being, about learning about, wellness, all these things can be done here. So Zumba and yoga anta ildaga, it is super exciting, right? So daily participate and make the use of it. And again, when it comes to our supporting to our well-being community, we are having, our nutritionist and yoga trainer, Deepti, who will be connecting with us on 7th of August at 4 p.m. So 7th of August bandu, namge Deepti avaru namge bandu, she will be talking to us on why daily exercise is important, why optimum daily nutrition is needed when we exercise, and how we can say bye to the fat that is there in our body. So ee 3 topics na bandu cover ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. So these are superb opportunity for you all. So let's make use of this, and let's promote this session to everyone on 7th of August. So start promoting it now. It's already given to you all. You all will be receiving the link and the invitation in the groups. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಬಹುದು, ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಬಹುದು, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಬಹುದು. You can share this details to everyone and make people participate. So that was about our well-being community. And then another important category that we should focus is our skincare products. So skincare is also very, very important. Our Novate skincare products, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ನಲ್ಲೂ ನಮಗೆ 25 BPs ನ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಗೆ ಬೂಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋರ್ಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. And when we come to recognizing the highest sales in the month of July for skincare category, we have Uma Maheshwari. So let's give Uma Maheshwari a big round of applause. Congratulations, Uma. So you are the highest skincare set sales winner for the branch as well as for Galaxy of Stars. So let's hear it from Uma on how she promoted it and what benefits she's getting out of it. Just give me 1 minute.
Hi everyone, this is Uma Maheshwari. First I want to thank Oriflame to recognize me as the highest Novate set seller. When you believe and have focus, definitely success will be there. Last month company announced wonderful offers. In that I want to go for the 200 business loyalty program. So I spoke to my network people also about this 200 business loyalty program. When I decided if I focus on Novate set, easily we can reach this. So when I'm doing telecalling to my group people and new people, only I concentrate Novate set. I told them if you are using Novate set, how to use this Novate set, what are the benefits. Novate set also I explain. You have to follow the skin routine using the product, using the Novate set products. Some people agreed, some people they told, oh let's we try one product this month, next month we will go for full set. But I told them clearly, of course you can buy one product, but you won't get it 100% result. If you are following skin routine, then you will get flawless and endless skin. So one more thing I explained, if you buy one Novate day cream, you have to pay 2,500. But if you are going full set, becoming the brand partner, you have to pay only 6,320. Of course, other benefits also. So like that I got good orders. But some people ask me, we are self-user, how can we go for the how can we complete 200 business in August? It's very easy. I told them, of course if you are using the product, definitely you will get result. Just share with the experience, Novate set experience with your friends and family people. Definitely you will get one more order. You can complete your next month target also. Some people already they got Novate set this month order also. They are very happy. So when you are focusing, definitely success will be there. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Uma, for sharing, your testimony. So yes, I see some messages on the chat. The voice was very low. That's with my maximum voice. So sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, so congratulations once again, Uma, for being the highest, skincare, winner for the branch as well as for the Galaxy Club. Okay, so when we talk about our recognitions, the right recognition that we can get during our products is our business class, because business class is for people who are doing their personal 200 BP. So I don't know how many of you all heard Uma say that she pushed a lot of people to qualify for their loyalty business class benefit. So 200 BP with Novage as well as some other products, you can easily do your 200. Here you get your plenty program benefits and also 3 products at 50 plus 20% discount when you are a business class qualifier. So here we have many people who have qualified for their business class in the month of July in Galaxy of Stars. So y'all can take 3 products at 50 plus 20% discount. Just not this, if you do your 200 BP once again this month, you can take the loyalty gift of the elegant serving bowl as well, for doing it for 2 continuous months. So let's give a big all our business class qualifiers for the month of July. So congratulations to congratulations to all the business class achievers in the month of July. So ee month kuda 200 BP ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ business class benefits ಅದರ ಜೊತೆನಲ್ಲಿ elegant serving bowl na kuda ನೀವು ತಗೋಬಹುದು. So Galaxy of Stars ನಲ್ಲಿ we have totally 133 people who have qualified for the business class benefit in the month of July. Congratulations and all the best for the coming months as well. So now is the time to talk about our make money opportunity. So Oriflame nalli you can make lot of money through the Oriflame success plan, and Oriflame success plan nalli navu grow agakke namge every month company namge super gifts na kodtare namdu business na navu boost madkolokke. So ee month kuda namge super exciting offers ide. So to explain about the offers, let me call upon Sangeeta Casey. Over to you, Sangeeta.
Okay, good evening everyone. Thank you, Jenny. So yes, business na boost ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕಂತೂ ಖಂಡಿತ ಪ್ರತಿ ತಿಂಗಳು ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ plenty program offers ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So ಈ month ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನ್ offers ಇದೆ? Am I audible?
Yes, Sangeeta, we can hear you.
Okay. So ಈ month ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಆಫರ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಮಂತ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಈ ಮಂತ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಗಳು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೆಂಟಿ ಆಫರ್ 50 BP ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗೆ ಆಫರ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 1st August to 31st August. Place accumulated orders of 50 BP and choose any one product to the value of rupees 549 for rupees 99 only. So 549 rupees ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ರಿಡಮ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಹುದು ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ ಮಂತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಫರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಇನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಡಮ್ಷನ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋವೆಟ್ ಸಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಕೋಡ್ಸ್ ನ ಹಾಕಿ ತಗೊಳೋದಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇವನ್ ವೆಲ್ನೆಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಪ್ಟಿಮಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಮೆಗಾ SBC. ಸೊ ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದು ನಾವು ತಗೊಳೋದಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದರ್ ದೆನ್ ದಟ್ 549 rupees ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 99 ಗೆ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೆಂಟಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಫರ್ 100 BP ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗೆ This offer period is also from 1st August to 31st August. Place accumulated orders of 100 BP and choose any one product to the value of 2000 rupees. Just 199 ಗೆ ರಿಡಮ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಹುದು ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ 2000 rupees ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 199 ತಗೊಬಹುದು. ಅಗೈನ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನೋವೆಜ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ವೆಲ್ನೆಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಆಪ್ಟಿಮಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾವ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಡ್ ಒಮೆಗಾ ಅಂಡ್ SPC ಕೂಡ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ಪ್ಲೆಂಟಿ ಆಫರ್ 150 BP ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಎಸ್, ಅಕ್ಯುಮುಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ 150 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ 1st August ಇಂದ 31st August ತನಕ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು 2 ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಪ್ ಟು 2549 rupees. ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂದ್ 2 ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ 298 rupeesಗೆ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಡಮ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್. ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಫರ್ ನಾಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಇನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕಬಲ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನೋವೆಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ವೆಲ್ನೆಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಡ್ ಒಮೆಗಾ, SBC ಅಂಡ್ ಆಪ್ಟಿಮಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಫರ್ ಇದೆ ಪ್ಲೆಂಟಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗೆ. ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫರ್ ಇದು ಈ ಮಂತ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ 200 BP ಯಾರು 1st August ಇಂದ 31st August ತನಕ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, accumulated orders of 200 BP and get up to 3 products at 50% off from September catalog. ನಿಮ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ 3 ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಹುದು, 50% ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಬಹುದು. ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಡಮ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಫರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಇನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು 2. ಸೊ ಎಸ್, ಅಪ್ ಟು 2 ತನಕ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಬಹುದು. 400 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ BC ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಎಸ್, ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ 200 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ, ಈ ಮಂತ್ ಕೂಡ 200 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಆಫರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಲಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋರೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಮಂತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 200 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಲೈಕ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಲಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಆಫರ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಎಸ್, ಈ ಮಂತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಮಂತ್ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಆಫರ್ ಕೂಡ 1st August ಇಂದ 20th August ತನಕ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆಫರ್ ಇದೆ. ಎಸ್, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ 1500 rupees ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ಟೆಂಡರ್ ಕೇರ್ ಅಂತೂ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುವಂತ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್, ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗುವಂತ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಹೋಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಇದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೆಂಡರ್ ಕೇರ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಾಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಸೀಡ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ ವರ್ತ್ ₹349 ಜಸ್ಟ್ 49 ಗೆ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರಿಡಮ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆದಷ್ಟು 20th ತನಕ 1500 rupees ಅಂತೂ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಎಲ್ರು ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ 20th ತನಕ ಬೇಡ, ಈ ವೀಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ 1500 ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಟೆಂಡರ್ ಕೇರ್ ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಎಸ್, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರಿಡಮ್ಷನ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಟೆಂಡರ್ ಕೇರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಎಸ್, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪರ್ಪಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಇದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕಾಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಈ ಟೆಂಡರ್ ಕೇರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕಾಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಬಂದು 1st August to 20th August. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಾಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಆರಿಫ್ಲೇಮ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ನಮ್ದು ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಶ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಕೂಡ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಟಾಪ್ 10 ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ವಿನ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಮೇಜ್ ನ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. @Oriflame ಇನ್ ಆನ್ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಥವಾ @Oriflame India ಆ ತರ ಹ್ಯಾಶ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು Oriflame and you ಅಂತ ಹ್ಯಾಶ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಹಾಕಿ ನೀವು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಟಾಪ್ 10 ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ Oriflame ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಆಫರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಬರೀ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ಲೆಂಟಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಡರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ವಿಟೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪೇನ್ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ 1st August ಇಂದ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ತರ ಆಫರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಸಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಆಫರ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 1st August to 31st August. So let me go through this video first. 1st August to August. So for this, what we have to do, sponsor 2 recruits. So ಇಬ್ರನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರೆಕ್ರೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂಡ್ ಆ 2 recruits 100 points ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಆಫರ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ we will get this exclusive Mora tote worth rupees 3,490 rupees though just 199 rupees ತಗೋಬಹುದು. So we can save 3,291 rupees. Yes, ಈ redemption ಬಂದಿ ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Offer valid in multiples up to 2 units. So 4 recruits ಮಾಡಿ ಕೂಡ 2 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ನ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಬ್ಯಾಗು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಮೋರಾ ಅಂತ ಏನಿದೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಗು ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಆಫರ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ 2 people ಅಂಡ್ ಹೊಸ 2 ಜನ ಟೀಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ grow in this business with those 2 people and we can support 2 people also to achieve their gifts and all the offers of Oriflame. So with this invitation campaign, we are having a very good offer for new recruits also. So ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಯಾರು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದು ಆಫರ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ 1st August ಇಂದ 31st August ತನಕ ಇದೆ. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಈ ಮಂತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ 1,500 rupees ಅಷ್ಟು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, they will get this soft KRS protecting hand cleanse gel. ಸೊ ಇದು ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕ್ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಜೆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ 65 rupees ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ 1,500 rupees ಆರ್ಡರ್ 19 rupeesಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನ ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಆಫರ್ ನಾಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಇನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಈವನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ 1st ಇಂದ 31st August ತನಕ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ನ ಯಾರು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜುಲೈ ಮಂತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇನ್ನ ಯಾರು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತವ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಆಫರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ 1,500 rupees ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. 46 rupees ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ KRS ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಜೆಲ್. ಸೊ ಎಸ್, ನ್ಯೂ ಜಾಯ್ನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕಂತೂ ನ್ಯೂ ರೆಕ್ರೂಟ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಇದೆ. 2 ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ. ಇದು ಆಫರ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ 1st to 31st ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗೋರ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಜೆಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ 1st ಇಂದ 20th August ಒಳಗಡೆ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ರೆಕ್ರೂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಆಫರ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕಬಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 2 ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಸ್, ಆಲ್ ದ ಆಫರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗುಡ್. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಡೂ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಜೆನಿ.
Thank you so much, Sangeeta, for explaining all the offers that we are having in this month. Nam business na boost ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ superb offers ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Lovely plenty program, invitation campaign, news, starts to recruits ಇರೋರಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ offers, Independence Day offer, ಈ ತರ super gifts ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So definitely focus on these offers and you can really grow with Oriflame. And then ನಮಗೆ last month, July month ಇಂದ ನಮಗೆ bonanzas na namge launch ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So we have our beauty bonanza. So to talk about our beauty bonanza, let me call upon Madhumita Igde. Over to you, Madhumita.
Am I audible, Jenny?
Yes, Madhu.
Okay. ಇವಾಗ ಸಂಗೀತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಈ ಮಂತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Oriflame ಏನೇನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಾಕಾಗತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾ? ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಾಕು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, Oriflame ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಲ್ ಮಾಂಗೆ ಮೋರ್ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಜುಲೈ ಇಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಜುಲೈ ಇಂದ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜುಲೈ ಟು ಅಪ್ ಟು ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ಏನ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಬೊನೆನ್ಸಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಇದ್ದವರಿಗೆ ಅಪ್ ಟು ಎನಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇಂದ ಅಪ್ ಟು 18% ವರೆಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಬೊನೆನ್ಸಾಗೆ ನೀವು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಪರ್ಚೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಮಂತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಜುಲೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಜುಲೈಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಕನ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಮಂತ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ನಿಮ್ದು ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಂದ್ರೆ 3,000 ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಯು. ಈ ಮಂತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3,000 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಕನ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ 3 months ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ದು. 4th month ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಹೌ ಮಚ್? ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ 20% ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ BP ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಎನಿ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ಲಾಗ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಡ್ ಆಗೋ ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 5,000 ಅಬೌವ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ 5,000 ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ 3,000 ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ 3,000 ಇಸ್ ದ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್. ಸೊ 5,000 3,000 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 1,800 ರಿಡಮ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. 3 months ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 4th month ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 1,800 ರಿಡಮ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ವೆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ 5,000 ಅಬೌವ್, 3 months ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 4th month ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ 15,000 ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 4th month ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3,000 ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರಿಡಮ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಏನು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 3,000 ವರ್ತ್ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಅಷ್ಟು ಪೇ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರಿಡಮ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್. ಇವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 10,000 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 3 months ಅಲ್ಲಿ 30,000 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 6,000 ವರ್ತ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಮನಿ ರೀಫಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಡಮ್ಷನ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನೀವು ಇದು 6 month ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಜುಲೈಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದವರಿಗೆ 6 month ಟೈಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿದವರಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಕನ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ 3 months ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. 4th month ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಡಮ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಮಂತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೇ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು, ಫೋಕಸ್ ಆನ್ 3,000 ಅಬೌವ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಟ್ ಎ ಟೈಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ದು ಅಕ್ಯುಮುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದ್ದವು ನೀವು 3 months ಅಬೌವ್ 3,000 ಅಬೌವ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 20% ಅಬೌವ್. ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ 20% ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ವಿತ್ 3 months ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ಸೊ ಅಪ್ ಟು ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ವರೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಬಲ್ ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅನ್ನು, ನಮ್ಮ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೈಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೊಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾರು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ರು ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಜೆನಿ.
Thank you, Madhu. Thank you so much for explaining the beauty bonanza. Yes, so namge bandu 6 months ide, 1 month already agide. Last month yaryar ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಈ ಮಂತ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ, absolutely fine. You can start from this month and take the benefit. So ಮಧುಮಿತಾ ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಆಫರ್ ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So make the best use of it. And then we have another bonanza, and that is our business bonanza. Business bonanza is a super exciting offer for us. And for that, let me call upon Rajeshri, who will explain the offer and also share with us how she has made use of these bonanzas in the past to really take lovely gifts. So over to you, Rajeshri.
Thank you so much, Jenny. And hope I am audible. So
Yes, Rajeshri, yes.
Yes. Business bonanza. Yes, the name itself says that one business which gives you a lots of bonanza. And this is not as a director, as a senior director, this is not a first time that we all got qualified we got a qualification criteria or like this gifts. But the more and more exciting here all about is each and every person can get qualified for this. This is really bonanza for one leader, the person who is really passionate to work, and the person who has adopted this. ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ದಿಸ್ ಈ ಬೊನಾನ್ಸಾ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಒಂದು milestone agi barta ide. So here I'll just explain you as each and every person here could have heard with nimma leaders inda kelirtira, director inda kelirtira. The concept is very simple. July, it starts from July 1st till 31st July. So whoever are joining you in this period of time, our minimum criteria is 50 business points ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು, and that everything will get accumulated and it will convert into a beautiful business bonanza gift criteria. So adana ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Next slide. So I'll make it very very simple and I'll tell you. ಜುಲೈ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ನೀವು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಬಟ್ ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್? ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ನೀವು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 50 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಶುಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಸೊ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ಲಿ ಯುವರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್, ಯು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಒನ್ ಬಾಸ್ಕೆಟ್, ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಬಾಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆಲ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಜಾಯ್ನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಕ್ಯುಮುಲೇಟೆಡ್. ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ when your box will get open, yes, your magic pot, your dream pot, what you can say, your magic things, and what is your dream dreamt all about, that will get open on 31st of December, and you can see it may be a 70,000 worth of smart LED TV, or it is a washing machine, dishwasher, whatever, refrigerator, AC, maximum products. And why it seems to me very easy to do and how it happens, because see, as you can see the slides, this is all seen by you people, right? Everyone could have shared you in the last month. But ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, when we were managers, ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಬರೀ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ our dream was to become a director, ನಮಗೂ ಈ ತರ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. And yes, that was also one of the motivation for me to get qualified like this gifts anta. Nan director adagninda till date I have not missed any of the gift bonanza. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಲೀಡರ್ಸ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಮುಂಚೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಈವರೆಗೂ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ನಾನು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. As I want to share my stories about it, ಇವಾಗ the laptop which I am talking to you all through is my Dell laptop by Oriflame. The mobile beside me was from Oriflame. And not only that, in the manenalli iro microwave oven, TV, washing machine, food processor, and not only that, the Tanishq gift voucher kuda, I mean, start from the gold to the all the home appliances, gadgets, maximum 80% of them have purchased. I have nan gift agi tagondidini through Oriflame. Yes, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ our success we want to see everywhere, whether when you see your bank account or when you're looking at your TV, ನೀವು news ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, movie ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, you feel happy when this TV, where people, some people, not all, they really want to have like that TV on their EMI. Okay, and having one housewife, simple ಆಗಿರೋರ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ they have to make sure to convince husband or make some take out their savings and buy one laptop. Okay, so ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುವಾಗ when a company is openly telling you guys work and focus, and on in the month of January, that is 2022, will be bang on when your favorite product is delivered to your doorstep. Okay, so I'm very, very excited and happy, and if I could have done, then anybody can do this, because it is not something which is impossible, but it needs a consistency. Last month nalli ನೀವು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ನೀವು plenty ಇದು bonanza ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, business bonanza, you were excited and you started joining 2 or 3 people. But gradually when it comes to the month of August, ನಿಮ್ದು focus ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೈವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ, then the real picture comes is in the month of January, everyone are sending their pics with their favorite product what they got qualified in the business bonanza. You start repeating that, oh my god, even I could have planned for it. It is all about planning, guys. Whoever are achieving or they are growing in this business is not something which is a magic stick. As we are grown up people, we know that there is nothing called as a magic stick, but all magic is inside when you are a consistent person and strong enough. Because nobody are late, nobody are early. The time you wake up, you will get it. And the simple concept, I will tell you the simple and very, very simple concept. From the month of August, you can also get qualified for LED TV. And whenever I choose, I want to choose maximum. Okay, not a minimum like the kettle of to make a hot water. Come on guys, you can buy it. Okay, so qualify for the LED TV. And those people who have a small kids, with your mobile you are not able to attend the meetings of your leaders because your kid is in some class. Now it is a time to give a big TV to your kid, that there is no harm to his eyes or her eyes. Kids' eyes will not get spoiled, and big mobile phone type, you can hang it on your wall and gift them this. And that is one entrepreneur means all about. So yes, after that again I have to give you a car option also. Then the fastest qualification who accumulates 6,000 rewarding points in this 6 months, then there'll be a lucky draw and you may get a first prize of 10 lakh rupees worth car, 7 lakh rupees worth car, or 5 lakh rupees worth car. Everything is possible when you are in Oriflame, because we know how to give up products and how to get qualified for this. We all are ready from Team Galaxy. Oriflame जब भी देता है छप्पर फाड़ के देता है. The only thing is you need to get prepared to catch all your gifts and welcome all the gifts. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity and sharing my feelings to each and every person. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rajeshri. Thank you so much for telling us about the lovely bonanzas and the benefit that we can take, as well as the things that you have taken in the past. So congratulations to everyone, whoever has taken a lot of gifts from Oriflame. And we wish everyone, and especially all the newcomers, people who are managers and brand partners who really want to achieve, to go for this, business bonanza and work hard for this next 5 months and grab the best gift for your family from this bonanza. So all the best to all of you all. So, these offers can really boost our business and help us to grow faster. So now let's get into the last part of our, our catalog launch and our opportunity, and that is to have fun. And when we talk about fun, yes, we have a lot of fun time games. So this time we have 3 simple questions and questions from the catalog. So we want to see, every time we come up with different activities. So this time we really want to see how much of attention you all are paying for the offers that we are having in the present month, and especially for offers that we are having in the catalog. So I have 3 simple gifts for you. So you just need to type in the, answer chat box and you need to answer it. So here I don't have any slides for you all this time. So just answer the question. So keep your figures on your typing pad, and then you can start typing with your answers. So the first one, so we had beautiful explanation from Sapna on our products. So this time we have a new product with our favorite one. So tell me, what is the key ingredients that we are having in the Amber Elixir, body cream. So, and in body cream. So I want the key ingredients. So we have 3 key ingredients in that. So whoever is giving the right answer, they will be getting the, gift. Yes, yes. So we have a lot of people giving me the answers. Yes. So wow. So you all really love this product. So yes. So I have some single, ingredient given here. I have few full ones. So I have Naganandini who's answered first. So congratulations, Naganandini. But you will not be getting the gift because you are part of the core team. So let's see whom we have from the brand partners and, people who are growing. So here we have Jyoti Gupta. So I think Jyoti Gupta is the first one who's answered it correct. It's amber, it's lavender and milk and honey. Yes, congratulations. So she has given all the answers. So we have amber, we have the lavender ingredient and the organic milk and honey. So congratulations, Jyoti, for giving us the right answer. Correct. So we have some nice answers also. So we have some fruits, we have some, honey, a lot of things. Okay, we have so many new ingredients that we can see. Yes, yes. So the correct answer is amber, lavender, and our organic milk and honey extract. So congratulations, Jyoti. So now let's go to the second question. Very, very simple answers. Okay, so very, very simple answers. So again, your fingers on your typing pad and then just listen to my question. So I need everything in one. Okay, so don't write it separate. So what is the back page offer that we are having this month? So I want all the product names with the key ingredients. I just don't want it like, dash. The name of the product and the 3 key products. This is basically to see how much of attention you all are paying. I am asking you all questions from places where we have really stressed and we have explained. Okay, Arundhati, you've written Love Nature Cleanser, Organic Apricot and Orange, but that's not the full answer. So here we have Asra, who's written Love Nature Toner, Cleanser and Face Gel. But what is the full name? Yes. So we have Mega, who is Mega, but the one thing is the last one is wrong. It's not a face mask. I'm so sorry. Let me see for who's answered first. Okay, so the answer is correct from Jayanti Mala's side. So she has Love Nature Cleanser, Toner, Face Gel, Apricot and Orange. So I can consider that answer. Okay, so we have few people saying essential sets. We have few people. Mega was so close to it. The name was correct. Just the face mask is not there. It's the cleansing gel. Okay, so congratulations, Jayanti. So your answer is correct. Yes, why I'm asking you all questions like this is we really need to pay attention on what is there in our catalog. Only when we know what's there in the catalog, we'll be able to promote it to others. Okay, so back page offer is very, very important. We should, from the first of the month, it should be in our finger, our tips. So it has to be. So anyone asks us, we should tell us, tell them immediately. So the back page offer that we are having this month is our Love Nature Organic. The key ingredient is our orange and, apricot extract. That's the face cleanser. We have the toner and the face gel at the best 50% offer. Very good. So let's go to Jayanti. So now the last question. So we have the last question here. So again, it's something that we really highlighted. Sapna explained it very beautifully. So the question is, what is the do-it-yourself feet up products that we are having in offer? It's very important. If you all are having it in the catalog, look into the catalog and answer. But whoever is answering first, I will be giving the gift to you all. So we had so many do-it-yourself kits. So in do-it-yourself kits, we have superb offer on our feet up range, something to take care of our feet. We also saw the video by Monica. So who is giving me the correct answer for that? We'll get it. Okay, so this time I will definitely foot cream. Okay, so let me consider and give for Mega. She is making small mistakes here, but I can really consider that because the others, you all have written the names, but you all have not written the key ingredient because we have different, foot creams. But in our feet up range, that's the tangerine and ginger foot cream. That's the soak, as well as the foot file, but she is put it as scrub here. So maybe she didn't know the right term. Last time also she made a very small mistake. So I will consider Mega here. So congratulations, Mega, for giving the right answer. So it's very important, guys, as you all are attending catalog launch, you all will learn more about products. When you all understand the offers and everything, you all can easily tell it to others. So congratulations to everyone who participated and gave your answers, who tried your best. And congratulations to all the winners. So now let's get into our, our conferences. So Oriflame can really help us to travel the world. And that is why we have our Dubai Director Seminar. So Dubai Director Seminar started in January and the qualification is going up to December. So we have another 5 months in hand where we can qualify. So make the best use of it and do not miss, qualifying for Dubai Director Seminar. So now let's get into our recognition. So we have many people who have achieved their new levels in the month of July. So now is the time to congratulate them, wish them, and give them a big round of applause for achieving their new levels. So big round of applause to all our brand partners from Galaxy of Stars in the month of July. So here we congratulations to all our achievers, all the new 3% brand partners from Galaxy of Stars. So now let's give a big round of applause to all our new 6% brand partners in Galaxy of Stars. So congratulations. We have Radhika Nanda, we have Sapna, we have Deepali, Shamina Begum, as well as Diana. So congratulations to you all the very best for your upcoming levels. And we also have few people here. So congratulations, Kavana, Rupa, Soumya, and Disha. Big round of applause. And congratulations to all our 9% brand partners. So if you look at our 9% brand partners, we have Sri Raksha and Devaki. So and let's give a big round of applause to our new 12% manager from, a Galaxy of Stars. That's Anupama Nath. So congratulations. So we wish you all the very best for your upcoming levels of 15%, 18%, and your senior manager level. You give your best and, qualify for our Dubai Director Seminar. So that was about our recognition. So we have people who have achieved their 3%, 6%, 9%, and their managers level. So congratulations once again to them. And, you can really achieve more in our Oriflame community. Oriflame community can take you to different places. You can meet different people. You can have your well-being lifestyle here. You can learn a lot of new things here, and you can really transform your life with Oriflame. So before we close our catalog launch, let me hand it over to our founder of Galaxy of Stars, Kalpana Malya. So over to you, Kalpana. Kalpana, you can unmute and speak.
Am I audible?
Yes, Kalpana. Yes, we can hear you now.
Yeah. Such a wonderful month, August. Month on month, we know that Oriflame gives us super offers. So people were, all the brand partners, they were explaining the different offers. I went into my thinking that what I have to take from the company, each one of you sitting here listening to this has equal opportunity to grab whatever offers you want. Super offers. It's all for us to make the most of it, right? I would like to say beauty and business bonanza is there. We have a wonderful business career to form of our own here. And we heard about all the fantastic new products from Sapna and Offer Products for us to use personally and share it with our friends, relatives. Exciting new products, with good quality fragrance, ingredients. Where else can we find this except Oriflame? Yeah, it's our privilege to make use and share it with as many people as possible. Also, products, congratulations to all the achievers, the 3, 6, 9%ers, whoever, and the 12%er level of July. we have so many offers this month, right? Plenty program, 50 points, 100 points, 150 points. It was so well explained. And of course, the business class offer, where we get the 50% of 3 products plus last month, whoever has done the 200 points and this month 200, you get the 2 utensils also. So it's really, really nice for us to do maximum points and get great offers in the Plenty program and the business program. And this month we have additional so many offers. That is Independence Day offer is there, single order of 1,500. You get our favorite product, Tender Care. Invitation campaign bag offer is there, wonderful bag. Okay. Actually people were asking for the bag offer, so we have got the bag offer also now. So offer for the new starts before 20th, if you place, you get both the offers, right? Sanitizer as well as the Tender Care. And of course, if you are doing the 50, 100, 150, 200, whatever, you will fall into place with the new recruits and the invitation campaign. It's all interlinked, right? You will be either, you can do beauty bonanza and business bonanza. And it is very much necessary now to do all these things, because how many of you want to go to Dubai? You can put it in my chat box, okay? And how many of you want to come to London, right? I want to go, definitely I want to go. And then I will see that I work for it, right? So each one of you should think like every day is important, every hour is important, every month is very important. It's up to us what we make of the month, right? Planning, implementation, actions is very, very necessary, without which it's not possible. Up to December, we are having a time for Dubai, right? Even if a senior manager is there, they can become, last month is December, and they can maintain for 1 more month, and they can get 50% of the cash award, 27,500. Do not forget that. As well as for diamonds and above, there are different offers. You name it, and the company is giving super offers, right? All of us can go, at least Dubai. I can definitely tell you that many of us, if we focus, we can go and take it as a challenge and implement whatever you have to do. You can ask your upline leader, or your management is there to help you, whatever it is. So we cannot ask for anything more, okay? So thank you everyone today, whoever has been part of today's catalog launch, and Jenny, of course, to make it so super. And each and every planning and the presentation has been done by Jenny. So really good. Thank you so much, Jenny. You're always with us, and to back Galaxy of Stars team, right? Also the quiz winners, super congratulations to all of you. Keep it up, and always go through the catalog and study the catalog in the first or second catalog launch ಇರುವಾಗಲೇ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹೌ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಟಲಾಗ್, ಕಸ್ಟಮರಿಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಟಲಾಗ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಪೇಜ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನ್ ಆಫರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, so thank you so much. And last but not the least, again a gentle reminder, every day we are having in our Galaxy Wellbeing community, we are having super offers, right? Yoga class is going on, Zumba class is going on, you're getting healthy tips, and you're getting on supplements. It's so wonderful. People who are coming to the Galaxy exercise class in the morning, they're really enjoying, and also they are calling lot of their friends. Whoever is not come as of now, please join us, ask us for the link. We are very ready to give you, and let's make our community bigger and bigger. And of course, we have to make hundreds and thousands of people join our community and give them the health benefits. And that is the kind of sharing we have to do. And through Oriflame supplements, we can have a healthy life. And if you even pitch your products well, we can be wealthy also, right? See, every which way we do, so Oriflame is giving us the best. Okay. So Saturday we are having a special webinar at 4 p.m. Deepti, nutritionist, is going to share with us a lot of details of how to take care of our nutrition on a lot of points, which Jenny showed the slide, and we will also share it in the WhatsApp group. Okay. So please invite maximum people. If you want your relatives, kith and kin, friends to be healthy, then guys, please make maximum people join. Yeah. Thank you so much for joining, and let's have more and more of our community growing, enjoying being healthy, and also making a lot of money and happiness. Thank you. Good evening. Bye. Thank you, Jenny.
Thank you, Kalpana. Thank you, Kalpana, for such a lovely closing. Thank you. So here we come to the end of our session. We thank each and everyone who's joined us. So all the very best for this month of August. Take care. Bye-bye.